Whether you want to transition from Google Workspace, GoDaddy Office, or personal accounts to Microsoft 365, it's important to understand what to expect from the transition. In this video, we'll break down the migration process. Step 1 is planning. Planning is a crucial aspect of the migration process. Proper planning prevents last-minute surprises and troubleshooting. Start by identifying the data types you'll need to migrate. Then, review all user accounts and select those that need to be transferred using a migration tool. This helps avoid transferring nearly empty accounts and wasting resources. Then, decide when you will be migrating your users. To avoid disruptions, try running migrations outside office hours or during weekends. Then, decide if you'll transfer your domain to Microsoft. If the domain is not hosted by Microsoft, you can choose to transfer it. However, you can continue using your hosting provider as well. Then, choose your Microsoft 365 subscription. You may need to know how much storage space is used in each end-user account in the source and plan accordingly. Step 2 is selecting a migration tool. This decision will affect the whole migration process and may define your timeline. There are two approaches to transferring data to Microsoft: using Microsoft's free migration tools, which require more knowledge and preparation, and opting for a paid third-party service like VaultMe for admins, which automates many tasks. Microsoft's native tools are free, but they have very complex settings and support is limited. Third-party solutions like VaultMe are paid, but their ease of use and reliability often make them a worthwhile investment. Once you've selected your migration tool, start preparing for the upcoming migration. First, sign up for Microsoft 365 and configure the domain and security settings. Then, create and activate user accounts. Remember to activate OneDrive for all users by signing into their OneDrive accounts or instruct users to do so. Then, ensure that users with over 50 gigabytes of email data will have enough storage in Outlook. Then, notify users of the upcoming changes and let them know when you will be migrating their data and what they should and shouldn't do. It may also be helpful to take backups of critical data, even though usually neither free nor paid tools remove the data from the source. The next step is performing the migration. Follow the instructions for using the migration tool of your choice. It may be best to test the tool first using one account or a small batch. If you're happy with the results, proceed with the rest of the accounts. Finally, evaluate the migration results and finalize all Microsoft 365 settings. Review the copied data in the destination accounts. Check if all metadata has been copied and if the folder structures have been retained. If you migrated users in batches, run Delta migrations to sync all changes for all users. Then, update the DNS records to direct mail to Outlook. VaultMe for admins automates and simplifies the migration process. With features like domain authorization, batch migrations, and free Delta migrations, it ensures an efficient transition. Plus, comprehensive reports generated after the migration ensure that you can track each item. Try VaultMe today and experience a hassle-free migration. Visit our website to learn more.